Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace tail light assembly, the whole tail light assembly on Lincoln guys MKX first generation. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. So we'll demonstrate how to remove and replace the rear right tail light guys. If you need to replace the left one, it's exactly the same way guys. So make sure you stay until the end and let's start on it now. So we'll go ahead and open the trunk now, and once you open it guys, okay, let me show you now. Right here you have only two screws that we need to remove with 8mm socket. You can find guys all the tools and that screwdriver set that we use in the description of the video below for your convenience guys, so please check it out. We'll go ahead and remove both of them. Okay, one is out. Now working on the second one. And it's very important what you do later so you don't damage your paint or you don't damage your tail light. You need to get a plastic panel removal too. And right here you have two clips that you need to slide out. So you get between there and gently pry, but don't pry too much not to cause damage to your paint. With the plastic tool you minimize that chance guys. Those are the two clips and they go right here. Now we need to disconnect the bulbs, okay, just pull them out, and this is for reverse light LED component. Press down and pull it out as well. And this is guys the whole assembly. That's how you remove it. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.